Listen, excuse me.
Ibintu bijaho bwanyuma y'abakansara kureta enshonga ya mukuru w'ishomero rya Kakanju Vocational Secondary School obabire bariyo mu rukiko rwa Council orukwendera umwaka gw'2024 orukorirwa ha District Council Hall ishomereri narishangwa mugomborora ya Kakanju mu district ya Bushenyi zengo umukuru w'ishomereri aremerwe gukora imirimo ye hamwe n'abakozi be ngo kucyakubire kiri ecyo rigireho n'indijo mizembe mu ishomero aho engineer yarugiramo kabitamu ba kansara bashabangu habeho okwendwa kwa mukuru w'ishomereri omwaka gurukwija.
He himself has failed to play his roles. One of the things, there was a person of indiscipline at first, where they were saying one of the staff was dating or was having sex with the students. That one ended somewhere. The head teacher did not take it over, and it was to our notice that even the head teacher was inclusive. He was also in love with some of the students.
Because the school is getting down. Yes. I want to assure the speaker, if there are going to be anything to be done, so that they can first sideline the head teacher, they put someone like acting head teacher as the school goes on, because he's on the best right now speaker, and they do the audit. It is my concern right now speaker. Before they come back for our holiday, let this one be done before they come back from
ngano avorora horkansara habwigombora ya bitoma na wagartire ya yotombitra kachiko ka DEC District Executive Committee habo utagendera hari ebyo eva kansara bako batensize.
In this council, there is not good how things are located in schools, because they say that money should be allocated in schools and have equal sub-council consideration. In the last council meeting, we had a problem, and that's why we never ended. We said there was construction of a school in Norway and was transferred to Bali. And now, how do we locate things? As council, we come here and we resolve our issue. But the implementation.
Omurukiko rwa Council n'urumwe hagarukire hijamo enshonga ya polisi na munonga barukora hakura zo murro aho utafaye munonga aho bagira ngo amashomera bigakwasirwa murro kandi ibintu by'abana byona byahwerekerera.
We are having a municipal council. Bushenyi municipality is growing, and if this is going to be the trend, then one day we will wake up and the whole town is burnt down. Mr. Speaker, this is an urgent matter that I think, as promised by one of the members of the Security Committee and the chairman of the Security Committee, it should be given due attention, because we are at risk.
For that great shame and original hub, as stated in the rules, must have fighting equipment. If they are one of government must provide more. And if the machines or the equipment, because we have two tankers, I understand wondering from Yakabingi, the division knows it, and others will be seeing red vehicles.
Imengabirano or RDC wa Bushenyi agambira abanyabushenyi kureba ngo bazora misho aha bintu byabo mbwire bwa Christmas ovu abo kuba bashuma nubwo barukweyongera.
I have appealed to the local leaders and the district leaders. I've had various security committee meetings. We are now in sub-county mobilizing local council leaders about how to handle security during this Christmas festival. We want everybody to be alert. Those who are going for church service, either tonight or during the day, you must leave somebody home. Don't leave the home and not attended to, because you never know. You must be security conscious.
Gasha kwa Olivia na Sasra, Sky TV ya Genshonga.